Hello everybody, Indy meets Disney, and we are at Peppa Pig Theme Park today.
It is a new adventure for a Peppa Pig loving kiddo here, and we are excited to spend the day here.
Yeah, let's head in and check it out, see all the great things they have to offer. All right, step right up to the fun fair here at Peppa's theme park, where you can play all kinds of different carnival games for completely free. Just have some fun. So we're gonna go in and just try some of these out and have a good time.
You did it! Yeah, you did it!
All right, here I go. Go for these cans. Lining up for the pitch. Woo! Quack, quack, quack.
Hello, Granny Pig, and welcome to your garden. Looks like she's been taking great care of all these lush gardens around here. Let's check and see what Gemma's found. Ooh, cute little rockers. Granny Pig's talking to us. You're gonna pick a carrot for us? For Rebecca, not for Mommy and Daddy. Got it. Off she goes to Rebecca. We've reached Madame Gazelle's nature trail. So she's got these big footprints, rocks that are leading us along her trail. See what you might be able to find. Oh, it looks like they found some binoculars.
Oh, I see Gemma.
What do you see, Daddy?
I see some apples and ants.
Some apples and ants? Oh wow, look at that tree. So much nature to see. Here's one of the playground areas that they have. It's kind of built like a tree house instead of an apple tree. So there's a swing here. You can see the swing is actually attached to the ground, so you can't do much. But then kids can climb up. There's a slide on the other side. Some interactive things for kids to play with. Looks like my family has found some kind of a maze going through Granny Pig's garden. I don't know if I'll be able to catch up with them or not, but I wonder what they're going to be able to find. Oh, hello family!
George's Fort. Can we make it through the maze?
Oh, do you get to get inside of Georgia's Fort when you get in there? That's what it is?
What's inside?
A frog!
There's a frog inside. We got to check this out. Oh my goodness! Here, Birdie, and there's a frog inside of Georgia's Fort. Oh, it's croaking at me. Ah. Grandpa Pig is really watching over this area of the playground. So there's a greenhouse, which we follow Gemma inside. Ooh. Should we climb up in there? Cute. Interactive things. Spin these? Man. Lots of slides. Lots of things to climb on. And here's another view of this playground area. We got it from the inside, and here it is from the outside with all those slides and things to climb on in that greenhouse.
Big hug. Awesome.
Do you want to give her a hug, Gemma?
You can give her a hug, don't worry. Aw, she's so nice.
All right, we're about to take flight on Peppa's balloon ride. So it's a little seats you ride in here, and it's gonna take us high into the sky as it goes around in circles. Gemma, you ready to ride Peppa's balloon ride? You ready to go way, way high up in the sky? It's gonna be fun? All right, let's do this. What do you think, Gemma? Is it fun? Can you see everything? Legoland, way up here.
It's our hotel, right? Next, we're gonna check out the cinema. Don't need a seat. It looks like it's not open today, but doors are closed to keep that nice cool air conditioning in. So head on inside with us. Take a look inside of the cinemas. They've got some of the characters hanging out along the wall. These amazing fluffy beanbags. And then playing all throughout the day, they've got Peppa Pig going. So lots of space and super duper air conditioned inside of here. You definitely need to check it out with your family.
So Mr. Fox's shop, it's the gift shop located here in Peppa Pig Theme Park. We're going to take you inside to show you around a little bit. So let's go. Peppa ears, anyone? Or Peppa hat? If you forgot things for the splash pad, they got bathing suits and beach towels. Some more books about swimming. All different kinds of Peppa toys here. And of course they have Peppa Legos, since we're here at Legoland. Peppa dresses and Peppa hats, Peppa sunshades, anything Peppa you would like. And a whole entire wall of Peppa plushes, and George plushes, and dinosaur plushes, everything Peppa. Okay, did want to note there's only one main restroom area here in Peppa Pig Theme Park. They do have, which is kind of unique, in each restroom area, tiny toilets for little ones and tiny sinks for little ones, so that's nice, so your little ones feel comfortable. And they do have an entire wall of diaper changing available for your convenience. So here we have Mr. Potato's stage area, and this is where 2 different live stage shows happen a couple times throughout the day. So there's a treasure hunt themed one and Peppa Comes to Play show. And like I said, you can catch those a couple times throughout the day, and we're about to head in and catch the treasure hunt themed one. So let's go.
Let's go. So wave, say hello. Welcome to the Peppa Show. Hi, Peppa. We've been shouting for you and George. Where have you been?
We were looking for Mr. Dinosaur, but we can't find him.
All right, we're at Daddy Pig's roller coaster. We're getting ready to head in and give this a whirl. Looks like a blast. Let's go do this. So part of the queue line for Daddy Pig's coaster is you get to walk through Peppa Pig's house. Whoa, are we in cartoon world here? Experiencing Peppa's house in person. Whoa.
Look at inside of the washing machine.
Oh no, the keys are in the washer. Here we are, Daddy Pig's coaster. You're ready to board.
All right. Welcome.
There's their tea party. Right outside of the cinema and Mr. Fox's shop and the restrooms, they have this little area that's gated completely for the teeny tiny ears, kiddos. So they've got these little bicycles that are just kind of like the balance, not really balance bikes, but ones they can just push with their feet. The little wagons they can push around or get inside of, adventure. Some little tents that they can play and pretend inside of. This rabbit sure does it all. She even has a diner here at Peppa Pig Land. So let's go inside and check out what it's like on the inside. So just to take a look at the menu, they offer the little piggy entrees of their kids' menu. So they've got the PB&J, grilled cheese, mac and cheese, cheese pizza, and beef pepperoni pizza. And those all range in like price from $8 to $13. The grown-up entrees, they've got pot roast, a sandwich, margarita flatbread, a green salad, chicken Caesar salad, turkey and cheese sandwich, a grilled vegetable ciabatta, and chicken Caesar wrap. And those are all like $14-ish. And then sides and snacks like fruit salad, fruit and cheese, chips, fresh fruit. And then one of my favorite things on the menu with their sweets and treats, they have a souvenir muddy puddle milkshake. If you know anything about Peppa Pig, she loves to splash in her mud puddles. So they've got chocolate and strawberry, and then they have that cute little mud cup. You can see a picture of it there in the bottom right-hand corner. They've got a fountain drinks, and then they also have some hot drinks, including some espresso, cappuccino, and things like that. And here's a look at the diner on the inside. So you can see the fountain machine. They've got condiments, all that good stuff over there on the far wall. And then fun theming on the inside. Mr. Potato there. Definitely is a fun looking diner.
Another ride they have here is Mr. Bull's High Striker. Kind of takes you up and bounces you around a little bit. Here we go. So they have this very large sand castle beach type area. The kids can come in. They got pails and just a fun area. It's a shaded, covered area. We can come in and just have fun. And there's some benches here where parents can just kind of chill and just have fun. All right, heading into Granddad Dog's Pirate Island boat ride. Looks like fun. Here they go. Ahoy, Gemma! Ahoy, Mama! All right, Mommy and Gemma are headed into Grampy Rabbit's Dinosaur Adventure.
So much, she had to ride it again with Daddy. Oh my! Okay, we are here at the splash pad. Ready to have some fun with George and Peppa and splash around. Maybe we'll find some mud puddles. Oh, I found some mud puddles. Peppa loves jumping in those. Some fun little duck accessories, splashing the water out of their mouths. And then here's the main splash pad area. You can see there's lots of fun areas for the kids to do water slides, to interact with the different water features, have so much fun. And I love that there's like these there's a giant bucket. Water didn't get me. I love that there's like a mud puddle underneath. And there are lots of areas around the outside for families just to sit and watch their kids. If your kid doesn't have their swim clothes and just went in their regular clothes, there's an area to dry them off with these haystack dryers. And then things to notice is that over here they've got an area for changing rooms. There are not any bathrooms here. So if you do want to go to the bathrooms, you got to go all the way across the way to the restrooms across the way to the diner.
All right, we came, we saw, we hung with Peppa. What'd you think?
Overall, we had such a good time today. This little girl loved seeing the real Peppa inside of the show and then getting to meet her afterwards with a meet and greet. Also loved getting to see like the little interactive characters that are kind of like Mama Pig and Peppa Pig, and all of them were just kind of hanging around and they interacted a little bit. So she really loved getting to see that. Made kind of everything come to life. But we also loved the rides. We got to ride lots of rides today, almost every single one of them. Yeah, there's just so many fun things to do.
Yeah, I agree. I really loved the stage show. I thought it was great. I wish we had made it to the second one.
Yeah.
Getting to meet Peppa was great. I really loved the Daddy Pig coaster. It was a lot of fun. Even though it was a smaller kid coaster, I thought it was a lot of fun. And the splash pad was great. It was a great splash pad. Gemma had a lot of fun there.
Getting to run around in the mud puddles and getting to splash around in those was super fun for her.
Yeah, I think if you have a preschooler, kindergartner, maybe first, second grader, this is a great place to bring them and just have a great time.
Gemma, did you want to tell them that you love the dinosaurs? Was that your favorite ride? Yeah. That was definitely her favorite one that we rode on. We rode on it 3 times today.
And
So
then they go into Peppa.
you want to go back to Peppa Pig Land?
No.
You can go back. You loved it? Yeah.
Understandable. Yeah. So we've had such a good day today. Anything else?
I think that's it. Let's wrap it up.
Yeah. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, we will
See you real soon. Bye, guys.